Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to check traffic on Waze. So, first thing that you will do is you could just simply open up the Waze application into your device. Now, once you are on the Waze, guys, you could just simply select the menu on the top left corner of the screen, the three lines. Now, over here, you would just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now, here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the map display at the very top, the second option. Now, over here, guys, you could just simply scroll down and make sure to show traffic flow over here and make sure that this is turned on. Or if you have traffic jam or show on map traffic, make sure it is turned on. Now, guys, if you go to the map, what I would tell you that it has a color coding. So, guys, if the road change color to red, it means that it has heavy traffic jam. And if it's yellow, means it has a moderate traffic jam. And as you can see, some of these are red, some of them are orange. And if it's green, it means that it is less traffic. So pretty much you should be able to see others that mark the road. So pretty much over here, the color coding will pretty much tell you if the location is traffic on the specific route that you are currently going to. And you should be able to see it over here. So pretty much just simply follow the color code in order for you to understand the traffic. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.